Have you ever wondered what happens when you mix sharp, zesty lemon with bold espresso? This unusual pairing is taking the coffee world by surprise, and it just might become your new favorite flavor. Mixing lemon with espresso may sound strange at first, but it's gaining popularity among adventurous coffee lovers and baristas. Today, we're diving into why this combination works, how it's enjoyed around the world, and how you can try it at home. Most people stick to classic coffee, flavors, milk, sugar, maybe a bit of vanilla or caramel. The idea of adding something as tart as lemon can seem odd, even off-putting. But sometimes, the best flavors come from breaking the rules and trying something new. Let's explore why lemon and espresso work so well together. Coffee experts have experimented with flavor pairings for centuries, and citrus has always played a unique role. The acidity of lemon can enhance the brightness of espresso, cutting through bitterness and creating a refreshing, complex taste. In Italy, a twist of lemon peel is sometimes served with espresso to cleanse the palate and highlight the coffee's natural flavors. If you want to try this at home, start with a simple recipe. Brew a shot of your favorite espresso. Add a thin slice of fresh lemon or a twist of lemon peel. For extra flavor, squeeze a few drops of lemon juice into the espresso and stir gently. Taste and adjust to your liking. Some people even add a touch of honey for sweetness. The result is a drink that's bright, aromatic, and surprisingly balanced. Many who try it describe the combination as both invigorating and refreshing, a completely new way to enjoy coffee. To sum up, lemon and espresso might sound like an unlikely duo, but together they create a flavor experience that's full of surprises. If you're looking to expand your coffee horizons, this is one combination you have to try. Have you ever experimented with lemon in your coffee? Share your thoughts or favorite flavor combinations in the comments below. And if you think this is unique, wait until you see my video. Apple coffee is weirder than you think. Check it out for even more unexpected coffee ideas.